How to play career mode in eFootball Mobile. Hello guys, this is Atticus from App Hacks, and in today's video we'll discuss if it's possible to play career mode in eFootball Mobile. So let's get started. So you can download eFootball Mobile from your App Store or Google Play Store, and after you do so, you might want to play the career mode on eFootball Mobile. Now, when you first download it, you might want to just go to the trials and stuff, but after you play for a while, you might want to play the career mode, which you will start searching on this. But the catch is you cannot play career mode in your eFootball mobile, as this is only a trial version. So if you want to play the career mode, you need to download the full version of the game, which is only available on PC. Also, you need to pay for the game, so if you want to pay, just pay for it and download it on your PC. And yeah, that is basically it. So you can still play against mobile, that is against AI here. So you can just play events, you can play leagues, friendly matches, exhibition matches, and so much more. And yeah, that is all for the video too. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And if you found this video helpful, leave a like down below and stay tuned for more. Also, if you have any questions, leave it down in the comment box below and I'll make sure to answer them. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.